Okay, here we have the new Bluebird A10 servos. Just got them today. As you can see, size comparison with the MKS 65K, pretty much exactly the same size. If we put one on top of the other here, see they come out. This is a JR 285 for comparison, size-wise between the three. You can see Bluebirds are pretty thin, pretty much the same as the MKS. Let's get down at an angle here. If I hold them together like this, you can see the Bluebird is probably about 0.5 millimeter thinner than the MKS 65K. Okay, here we have the MKS 7.1 grams. And the Bluebird, get in there, 7.6, so just a touch heavier than the MKS. Alright, here we have the MKS and the Bluebird side by side, running off the same channel. You can see the Bluebird appears just a little bit faster. This is running A10S off of Tyrannus and a D4R2 receiver, fully charged battery. Okay, here we got it set up about 15 centimeters out. Looking at centering. Getting a little bit of maybe 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter at 15 centimeters out, so should be plenty good for same setup with the MKS. You can see pretty much the same thing. Occasionally takes an extra 0.5 second for it to center. And one last test. This is on A10S, same receiver. A little bit noisier on A10S. Speed. But again, centering looks pretty dead on this. And same thing back on A10S. Lastly, the servo horns fit very tightly, very little play in the gears. I can barely feel just a tiny bit of movement in there. Can't even, not enough that you can see it, but you can feel it move between gears. This is powered off. So overall, looks like pretty good. One other thing on the Bluebird servos, looks like they've using a sticker to indicate date of manufacture. This one is 12/16.